I remember meeting him at Anubhav sir's office again. We worked long back, like 15 saal pehle and stuff. And he's the Hansal Mehta right now. So I met Hansal sir, and now he told me that a lot of people are talking a lot of things about you, and no one is talking about your acting.
Directly you agreed for it?
No, I took 5 seconds. My television, I was so much on the face all the time that every, like, last एक generation know me from television. And I was just telling somebody the other day कि मैंने actually, why did I take a break from television also? Because I realized एक तो मेरी injuries बहुत हो गई थी. Secondly, I remember seeing this show Breaking Bad. That's the first OTT show I've ever seen.
Okay.
And मैंने बोला था यार मुझे ऐसा काम करना है. You know, I want to do something like this. Hey guys, what's up? This is Amir Ali and you're watching me on Filmy.
Hi, this is Siddharth Shukla from Filmy, and today I have with me, well, someone I personally like, and that's Amir Ali. A very warm welcome to Filmy.
Thank you so much, buddy.
How's your day going?
Great. Starting with you.
Firstly, actually, उसके पहले मुझे बताना है, read your Instagram. It's written, my mom thinks I'm funny.
Yeah, she thinks I'm funny in a lot of other things, but I thought the funny thing seems the best.
I know.
अब वो, you know, माँ कैसी होती है ना, सिर्फ तारीफ करती है.
I know.
So बाकी तारीफ तो नहीं लिख सकता. ऐसा लगे मैं अपनी तारीफ कर रहा हूँ. मैं बहुत शर्माता हूँ अपनी तारीफ करना. So I think funny seems cool.
You're humble.
I don't know if I'm humble. I think I'm shy.
Okay.
I feel shy talking about myself.
Okay. What's up with all these Instagram reels जो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा you've started, बहुत ज़्यादा, but you've started putting out, वो बड़े ही सही है. कहाँ से concepts लाते हो?
Yeah, I just started enjoying myself on social media now. I was a guy who होते ना जो Instagram में नहीं रहना चाहते. I'm that kind of a guy. Last couple of years, I think after the pandemic and stuff, थोड़ा posting करना start किया, and I wasn't getting a hang of it. Now I just enjoy myself and express myself.
Okay.
So my reels, and I've realized social media, किसी को serious चीज़ें नहीं देखनी है. मतलब I don't want to tell people what I'm feeling throughout the whole day.
Yeah.
Not that I go all out, not being myself. Also, what I've seen is I've met a lot of people. The people are completely into social media. They're completely different in real life and what they portray. So I didn't want to do that as well. Learn from their mistakes. So I be myself on social media. What I feel like, what I like doing. I just like having fun. So that's my kind of fun.
Wow, हाँ ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ना. I perceive something else on social media.
तुम हो ही नहीं और तुम वो दिखा रहे हो.
Exactly.
I mean, to each its own. उनका काम है. मगर मैं पसंद करता हूँ जो मैं हूँ वो मैं दिखाऊँ.
Personally, I love this. Like I said, आँख निकाल के बस बहुत देख ली दुनिया.
हाँ, that was cute, yeah.
I forwarded it to so many people. Do you think of the concept on your own?
Yeah, I also do, and right now I have a team also who does it for me, and they reflect me. I've told them that जो मुझे comfortable होता है मैं वो करूँगा, and they also understand that, and we just gel, 2-3 Gen Zs who we just meet and we just gel and we just do something interesting.
I know. I like the word you use, the word Gen Zs, because they're very nice.
They're very intelligent. They're very they know what's going on today. They know they're very relaxed. They're very, very chilled.
Right.
मुझे अच्छा लगता है ऐसे.
Talking about work, firstly, congratulations on Luttere.
Thank you.
It's your second project with Hansal sir.
Yeah.
How was it working with him?
Great.
Because he's again cast you in that. You auditioned for it, or he remembers you from Scoop. And how was it?
From Faraz.
Faraz. Right.
I remember meeting him at Anubhav sir's office again. We worked long back, like 15 saal pehle and stuff. And he's the Hansal Mehta right now. So I met Hansal sir, and now he told me that a lot of people are talking a lot of things about you, and no one is talking about your acting.
Right.
That's the Faraz meeting he told me, and I want to portray you as an actor, and that's what you've come for, right? I'm like, yeah, I've left everything. I've left television. I've done this. I've not left, actually taken a break from television for the longest time.
Right.
And I want to portray myself as an actor. And he said that, okay, then I'm giving you a father's role. I'm like, हाँ कर लूँगा. A father of a teenager.
Directly you agreed for it?
No, I took 5 seconds. But then I wanted to work with him. It's just like I wanted to work with him. So I said, ठीक. And he told me, कितना सोच मत. Portray yourself as an actor. People should only think that to acting करने हैं and show them that, because क्या हो रहा था ना उससे पहले बहुत सारे लोग को मैं मिलता था and I've been around and stuff.
Right.
I know them, but they used to only meet me, have lunches and dinners, and काम में generate नहीं हो रहा था.
समझ गया.
They used to always say, "नहीं यार, you're too, hero looking, or you're too this, or our show is very real and it's very that and it's very this." So it wasn't generating to work.
Right.
And then on the other hand, you have makers like who have balls of steel. You know what I mean? Who know what they want and who go all out. So Hansal sir took that plunge in me, and Faraz hua, and it was a small role, but I felt like that was a screen test for me to move ahead.
Okay.
And then Lutere happened, and Sailesh Singh, who's the producer, had told me about the show. Casting se phone aaya, Mukesh Chabra se went for the meeting. Jay was there. He took my look test, and I got the role. So the process was the same.
Process was the same, but they could look beyond how you look.
Yeah.
What
Yeah.
I'm assuming was the problem earlier.
Yeah. Otherwise, I think my television, I was so much on the face all the time that last एक generation know me from television. So they've seen me so much doing those particular things. So दिमाग में बैठ जाता नहीं करता. You need someone to give you that chance to show you. And I was just telling somebody the other day कि मैंने actually, why did I take a break from television also? Because I realized एक तो मेरी injuries बहुत हो गई थी. Secondly, I remember seeing this show Breaking Bad. That's the first OTT show I've ever seen.
Okay.
And मैंने बोला था यार मुझे ऐसा काम करना है. I want to do something like this. And उसके लिए then I had to do hardcore OTT. अच्छा, see, OTT पे काम मिलना difficult नहीं है. जो हमें करना है वो difficult है. अच्छा काम मिलना difficult
है. What we want.
Yeah. So that took time, and I had to keep patience. I kept patience. बहुत रुकना पड़ा यार.
वो बहुत मुश्किल है perseverance, and that's very important.
Yeah. Luckily by nature, I'm a sportsman by nature. I don't like giving up. So I may not have anything else. See, there are so many people more talented than I am. They look better. Their acting is better and stuff. But I have this fighting spirit,
which is very important.
Yeah, which a lot of people may not have.
Yeah.
So थोड़ा confidence है अपने आप में. Because a sportsman will always have this confidence कि यार, even if I'm in a game of badminton, if I'm 15-20 down, game point maybe, so I'll never give up. I'll try to come equal and I'll try to win.
Right.
So वो है बस. I think that's what's keeping me going.
Wow. I can't wait to meet you for further projects coming up.
Same here.
All the very best and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank you. Take care.